Exercise 3.7. Show that the magnetic field at any point on the axis of the solenoid having turns per unit length is V is equal to 1 by 2 mu 0 Ni cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay. Now we are going to consider a solenoid like this, and we are going to prove the above equation. Okay. Now we are going to take the number of turns per unit length. Okay. The number of turns per unit length is equal to n. Length of the solenoid we are going to take as small l. Now let P be a point at a distance x from the origin of the solenoid. Okay. Now we know the formula for magnetic field due to current carrying conductor in a circular coil. So we can write magnetic field due to current carrying conductor in a circular coil. That is dB is equal to mu 0 I n a square by 2 into x square plus a square the whole raised to 3 by 2. This is the formula. Okay. Here capital N can be written as small n into dx because we are considering a distance small and distance dx. Okay. According to that, in the solenoid we are considering what a small distance dx. So capital N is equal to number of turns into dx. Okay. So we can write dB is equal to, by substituting this we can write mu 0 I n dx a square by 2 into x square plus a square the whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Now from the figure I am going to take the triangle ABN. Okay. So this one ABN, this small portion I am going to take. This A and P is this is the line joining A and P. This is the line joining P and P. I am drawing a perpendicular here. So the perpendicular from B to AP is N. Okay, so I am taking the small triangle ABN. Okay, so from triangle ABN, sin theta I am going to find it out. This angle is theta, therefore this angle is also theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Your opposite side is BN. Hypotenuse is what? AB. So it is BN by AB. Okay. Now BN can be written as from this triangle, that is triangle BNP. From triangle BNP, BN can be written as R into d theta using sector formula. R into what? D theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to R d theta by, your AB is nothing but what? Dx. AB is nothing but dx. Now I am going to take the next triangle ACP. Okay. So triangle ACP. In triangle ACP, R square is equal to, the hypotenuse is equal to A square plus X square. So I can write R square is equal to A square plus x square. So R is equal to a square plus x square the whole raised to 1 by 2. So what is r cube? R cube is equal to a square plus x square the whole raised to 3 by 2. Now substituting this in dB. So dB is equal to mu 0 I n dx a square by a 2 into here r cube. Okay. So this can be written as dB is equal to mu 0 I n a square by 2 r square. Okay. For dx I am going to substitute as r d theta by sin theta. This is r cube. For dx I am substituting as what? R d theta by sin theta. So one r and another r will get cancelled. So this will become what? R square. So what will I write? dB is equal to mu 0 I n a square d theta by 2 r square sin theta. Okay. Now again I am going to take the triangle ACP. In triangle ACP, sin theta is equal to, okay, opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AC by AP. AC by AP, that is nothing but A by R. So A square by R square is equal to sin square theta squaring. So R square is equal to A square by sin square theta. Substituting here, dB is equal to mu 0 I n a square d theta by 2 a square by sin square theta into sin theta. So one sin theta and one sin theta will get cancelled. So this can be written as mu 0 n I sin theta d theta by 2. This a square and this a square will also get cancelled. Now we have got it for dB. So dB is equal to 1 by 2 mu 0 n I sin theta d theta. Now we can go for integration. Integration dB is equal to theta 1 to theta 2. The integration is from theta 1 to theta 2. So integral theta 1 to theta 2 half mu 0 n I sin theta d theta. Now this can be written as taking everything outside mu 0 n I integral theta 1 to theta 2 sin theta d theta, which is equal to half mu 0 n I integration of sin theta is minus cos theta into theta 1 to theta 2. So this can be written as half mu 0 n I, okay, minus cos theta 2 minus of minus cos theta 1. So which can be written as half mu 0 n I cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So we have proved the result.